Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and choosing a template that matches your audience because consistency saves time. Once done, set the slide size to 16, 9 for screens or 4, 3 for older projectors, and place a clear title and subtitle so viewers know the topic. Make sure to establish font sizes now, headings around 3240 points and body text 1824, so everything scales. Save the file as version 1 and turn on auto save or create a quick backup, which prevents lost work later. You now populate slides using the Slide Master to enforce fonts, colors, and footers so every slide follows the same visual rules. Next, focus content. Keep 3 to 5 bullets per slide so viewers read rather than skim, and pair each slide with a single image or icon to reinforce the point. When you add data, use charts or smart art and label axes clearly. Also, apply simple animations sparingly and a consistent transition so attention stays on your message rather than flashy effects. You finish by proofreading every slide and running spell check because small errors undermine credibility. Once content is locked, rehearse slide timings if you will narrate, and then export as PDF for handouts or MP4 if you need a video. Compress media when file size matters. Before presenting, test the deck on the actual device and projector to confirm fonts, color contrast, and embedded media work. If something breaks, try embedding fonts or saving with linked media replaced. This resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.